You know, the diagnostic process of getting your child or a family member involved in speech therapy can be somewhat complicated, especially if you don't know what's going on. So I want to talk about real quick the difference between a screening and an evaluation. All right, so let's talk about it. A screening is a tool that is used to determine if further evaluation is needed. Screenings do not determine whether or not a person has a speech and language impairment. So, for example, if I see somebody is having difficulty with producing sounds or producing words, and let's focus on children for a minute, we can use the Flu-Hardy kit. And what that looks at auditory comprehension, it looks at recalling information, it looks at speech sound production, following directions, as well as it looks at a person identifying objects. So if we can look at this information and a child may have difficulties in one of those areas that I just stated, then that will yield to us saying, let's look into this further to see if something else is going on. And so then we would move to an evaluation process. Now, from the evaluation, we then determine if there is indeed a speech and language impairment. And the reason why is because we're looking at standardized norms for particular individuals in association to their age group. And so usually on most tests, the standardized norms is 85 to 115. That's within the average range. So anything, in the 70s and 60s, it's like, that's an area of concern because that could be a significant impact on that person's development in that area. So whenever somebody says that they're looking to get a speech eval, just know that that may be a longer process involved. But better it be a longer process than someone jump to conclusions and lead you in the wrong direction. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments. Of course, I'm here. I also do speech therapy. And if anything, I can be a speech liaison for you to provide information for you. I'm here to help, not here to be selfish. All right, see you soon.